Welcome to Big John Abo. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create your own WhatsApp channel. So the first thing you are going to do is to head into your Play Store, search for WhatsApp. Yeah, as you can see, so you have to download new WhatsApp if you don't have it, and if you have WhatsApp already, what you have to do is to just update your WhatsApp. If you know you have already installed WhatsApp, just go ahead and update it. And if you don't have WhatsApp, you can just install new WhatsApp from your Play Store. As you can see, mine, I've already updated it and also installed it already. So all I have to do is to click on this open. If you have updated it, you can just click it to just open it directly. Also at the top you are going to see chat, update and course. In the previous version of WhatsApp, if you open your WhatsApp like this, you see chat, status, course and others. But in this new version, all you are going to see is update, course and others. This is unlike the previous one. So just go ahead and click update. So if you click the update, you see status here, your status and your channel. There are new channel here. As you can see, there's Brain Jotter, there's Sydney Talker, free worship videos. There are a lot of channel here. So those are the channel that people already have. And Lassis Elenu, you see there are a lot of channel here. All these channel that they suggest is channel that have been verified. So that's why they suggest it to you. They already have a lot of followers here. You know Brain Jotter now. So for you to create your own channel, just go ahead and click this plus icon. As you can see, there's channel, there's plus icon. So for you to create your own channel, just go ahead and click this plus icon. Just click it. So if you click it, you see create channel and find channels. If you want to discover new channels, you can go ahead and click this find channels. As you can see, there are a lot of channel here, new channel. As you can see, Keith Abiola. If you want to be receiving update from them whenever they post new videos, you can just go ahead and click this plus icon to follow them. So that's how you can follow them on WhatsApp. And you can also search by most active, most popular, new, and also by your location. If you click this popular, so these are the most popular channel on WhatsApp. So now for you to create your own, just click on this plus icon. If you click on this create channel, and then you can read the terms and conditions. I highly recommend you to read these terms and conditions and click continue. As you can see, you can just come here, name your channel. That's the name of your channel. I can see the name of my channel is Big John Abo. Yeah, and here you can click here to write the description of your channel, what your channel is all about. You can just go ahead and write it. If you write the description of your channel, just go ahead and click this create channel. As you can see at the bottom here, you see create channel. Just go ahead and click it. And you can also change your WhatsApp icon by clicking this camera. As you can see, there's a camera here, a little camera here. Just click it and click gallery. So this is basically how you can create your own WhatsApp channel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video with your friends. Thanks for joining me in this video. See you in the next video. Bye.